Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. If you need any help from us, that means you have any mathematical doubts or any questions, so please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the date in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that the group Z2 cross Z2 is option A is cyclic, option B is isomorphic to Klein's 4 group, and option C is isomorphic to Z4, and option D is none of these. This is a very easy of question. We know that this will be our option B, but I'm going to prove it because then that will be understandable. So we are now given the group which is Z2 cross Z2, and we did need to determine the properties. Okay, so now the structure of Z2 cross Z2. So we know that the structure of Z2 is what is equals to only 0 and 1. The binary group. So under addition, modulo 2 has order 2. So now the direct product of Z2 cross Z2 will be what? So that will be equals to 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0, and 1 comma 1. Okay. So now the operation of the operation is component wise addition modulo 2, which is this. That means A comma B plus C comma D. That is equals to A plus C mod 2 and B plus D mod 2. Okay, so this is our given binary operation here. So now we are going to check the cyclic property, because we know that our 0 generates it only itself, and 1 comma 0 plus 1 comma 0 will be 0 comma 0. So it has order 2, order 1, order 2, order 2, and also this has order 2. So this is the property of our client's 4 group, because we know that our client's 4 group, that means this group, that is K4, is equals to identity A B A B only. Then we know that our identity has order 1, A has order 2, B has also order 2, and our AB has also order 2. The structure K4 matches Z2 cross Z2 since both are abelian of order 4 and have only elements of order 1 or order 2. So the cardinality of the same order elements are equal. So the group Z2 cross Z2 is isomorphic to Klein's 4 group. This is a correct option here. Okay, so again I am telling that if you need any help from us, or if you have any doubts, so please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange sessions for you, so that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay, so please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Thank you guys, hope you understand.